Hey guys, so as far as we know, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 will have a battery much like the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Samsung Galaxy S20, one that's glued in. Well, removable batteries are a thing of a past, right? If you have ever tried to replace the battery in your Samsung phone, over the last few years, you know it's not that easy. Samsung seals its battery compartment shut with glue, meaning you have to take it to a trained repairer who will have the tools necessary to extract the cell, or you do it yourself and risk damaging your phone or even hurting yourself if you happen to break the battery. But Samsung might soon be forced to change its ways, and this could have a very positive effect on the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and next year's Samsung Galaxy S21. A Dutch site reports that the European Commission has a draft plan to force electronics manufacturers to make their batteries replaceable. This would include phones, tablets, and wireless headphones. The plan also details plans for increasing guarantee periods, making it easier to find repair instruction and a Europe-wide collection system for unwanted consumer electronics. This is primarily focused through the lens of environmental concerns, ensuring materials produced sustainably and are then recycled when no longer needed. If all people have to do to fix their phone is replace their batteries rather than opening the whole handset and then doing some complex things to take out the cell, then there will be a lot less electronic waste. But it just so happens that this is great for repairability in general and for keeping your phone performing at the maximum potential for longer. This law would of course affect smartphone makers around the world, but Samsung is the world's largest smartphone maker and would therefore see the biggest impact. The last Samsung flagship phone with the replaceable battery was Samsung Galaxy S5, released back in 2014. You wouldn't expect a phone that old to influence a handset releasing in 2020, but this could happen very soon. Things also come off the back of an European ruling that electronic makers must use USB Type-C to help reduce waste, something that will affect Apple and its Lightning connector in a major way, though not in time for iPhone 12, I guess. So if you like our content, then make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.